A patent attorney just told me she wastes 6 hours every week using only 80% of Perplexity. She had no idea the other 20% even existed, and it's cutting her research time by 70%. Priya spent 22 hours weekly cross-referencing patent citations, manually across 7 different databases every single week. She was only using basic Perplexity search, completely missing collections and deep research features that could automate everything. 847 patent citations needed manual organization because she didn't know collections could automate the entire workflow. The deep research feature launched in 2026, but less than 13% of users even know it exists. Here's what shocked me. Research shows less than 13% of users ever touch collections or API. Most tutorials teach 80% of Perplexity in 10 minutes, then completely skip the automation features that matter. The deep research feature dropped in 2026, but there's almost zero content teaching you how to actually use it. Priya spent 22 hours weekly cross-referencing patent citations across 7 different fragmented databases manually. She was using Perplexity Basic Search for quick lookups, but had zero idea collections even existed. Her law firm's senior partner told her about deep research automation during a coffee break conversation. That night, she discovered collections could automatically organize all her patent citations with verified sources instantly. She spent 1 hour setting up a workflow template combining collections with deep research automation features. First test run, 847 patent citations, cross-referenced and organized in under 90 minutes completely. Here's exactly what Priya did. She opened collections and created separate folders for each patent category. Step 2, she activated deep research mode and connected it to her collections for automatic citation verification. Step 3, she set up source verification filters to only pull citations from verified patent databases. Results after 4 weeks, her research time dropped from 22 hours to just 8 hours weekly. If this workflow is helping you see what's possible, tap that like button so I make more. Bonus tip, Priya now uses API integration to auto-sync her collections directly into her firm's case management. Subscribe to Insight Tech Daily for more advanced workflows, hit that bell, and share this with your team. Priya discovered collections, the feature living in Perplexity's top right corner nobody clicks on. She created separate collections for each patent category: biotech, software, hardware, and trademark cases. Next, she activated Deep Research Mode, the 2026 update that most users don't know exists. Deep Research automatically scanned 18 patent databases simultaneously, instead of her clicking through each one manually. She set automation rules: flag citations older than 5 years, highlight conflicting patents automatically. Within 2 hours, Perplexity organized 847 patent citations with verified sources automatically. Her research time dropped from 22 hours weekly to just 8 hours using this workflow. The collections feature has only 13% adoption because nobody teaches workflows, just basic searches. If this workflow is helping you see Perplexity differently, hit like so I know to make more. Bonus tip, Priya connected Perplexity's API to Notion, creating automatic research briefs for every patent. Subscribe to Insight Tech Daily for advanced workflows nobody else teaches, and hit the bell icon. Priya tracked every single hour for 3 weeks to prove this wasn't just luck or coincidence. Week 1, 22 hours manually searching databases. Week 3, only 8 hours using collections automation. She processed 847 patent citations with verified sources completely automatically in one workflow. That's 14 hours back every single week, which adds up to 56 hours monthly doing actual legal work. Remember, only 13% of users even know collections exists according to the 2026 data. Deep Research launched in 2026, but most tutorials still skip it entirely in their 10-minute overviews. Quick pause. If Priya's workflow is opening your eyes here, smash that like button for me. It genuinely helps me know you want more advanced Perplexity breakdowns like this one right here. Here's the bonus feature nobody talks about. Perplexity's citation export can generate formatted bibliographies automatically. Priya discovered she can sync collections directly to Notion and automatically organize research into client folders. The API lets you build custom workflows. One researcher automated her entire prior art search process. Less than 13% of users know these features exist. You're now in that top tier. If you want more Perplexity workflows like this, subscribe to Insight Tech Daily and hit that bell. Share this with someone drowning in research work. They'll thank you. See you in the next one. Quick disclaimer, results vary based on your workflow and how consistently you apply these automation techniques. This isn't legal or professional advice, just sharing what worked for Priya's intellectual property research workflow.